Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional DOP. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on AWS DOP is: what is the difference between Amazon CloudFront and Amazon Route 53? Your answer should be Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network CDN service, while Amazon Route 53 is a scalable domain name system DNS wave service. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of blue-green deployment. Your answer should be blue-green deployment is a deployment strategy where two identical environments, blue and green, are set up. One environment serves live production traffic while the other undergoes updates or changes. Once the updates are validated in the non-live environment, that is green, traffic is switched from blue to green. Our next interview question is: what are the benefits of using AWS Cloud Formation? Your answer should be AWS Cloud Formation provides benefits such as infrastructure as code, automated provisioning of resources, consistency in deployments, and the ability to manage and update infrastructure in a repeatable manner. Our next interview question is: describe the use case for AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Your answer should be AWS Elastic Beanstalk is used for deploying and managing applications quickly and easily on AWS infrastructure. It automates the deployment, scaling, and management of applications, allowing developers to focus on writing code rather than managing infrastructure. Our next interview question is: how does AWS Code Pipeline differ from AWS Code Build? Your answer should be AWS Code Pipeline is a continuous integration and continuous delivery CI/CD service that automates the build, test, and deployment phases of your release process. AWS Code Build, on the other hand, is a fully managed build service that compiles source code, runs tests, and produces deployable artifacts. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of AWS Ops Works? Your answer should be AWS Ops Works is a configuration management service that helps automate server configuration, deployment, and management on AWS. It supports Ceph and Puppet for managing infrastructure as code. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of infrastructure as code IAC. Your answer should be infrastructure as code. IAC is the practice of managing and provisioning infrastructure through machine readable definition files rather than physical hardware configuration or interactive configuration tools. Our next interview question is: how do you handle security in AWS environments? Your answer should be security in AWS environments can handle through various means including identity and access management IAM, encryption, network security using virtual private cloud VPC, security groups, and AWS WAF Web Application Firewall. If you are preparing for any AWS-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.